Hello everyone, I am your tech enthusiast, Profe. I'm going to do a live unboxing of two products. The first product is the S25 Ultra, and the second product are the new Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's take that out of there. Always Samsung always does a really good job of packaging. I always have this nice little crunchy bag. There we are. Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Very nice, very nice. We have our wonderful Galaxy S25 Ultra. Alright, put this out of the way. And we're going to start with the phone, of course. The box is very sturdy, minimalistic but sturdy, making sure that everything is nice and safe. As you may know, that this is the brand new phone. It just got released in February 2025. And yeah, this is the engineering masterpiece of Galaxy S25 Ultra. This isn't just a phone, it's an advanced mobile computing center. And there it is. Let's take a look at the box. What's in the box first? So this is a very minimalistic. Samsung usually just does the basics on this, unfortunately. I remember they used to offer headphones with it. Nope, just a tool right here, and of course the wonderful documents and our cable. Cable isn't really that long, but it will do the job. I recommend to get a nicer cable eventually. Okay, let's get that out the way. Here we have our phone, and as you know, as you may know, this is the culmination of Samsung's vision for a mobile technology. Let's see what it offers. As you can see in my hands, I'm holding the heart of mobile innovation. This device is powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite for Samsung, a custom octa-core SoC. It's no exaggeration to say that this chip is designed for the future of mobile AI. This color right here is called the white silver, the titanium white silver model. And as you can see, it's very clean titanium. Very nice. And let's go ahead and take this off. Wow, there it is. Nice little film to protect the screen. And let's turn it on. There it goes. And there you are. That's the Samsung. It has a USB-C at the bottom. It has also your SIM card entry there. It has just this connection back here on the side. This is the unlocked version, so it's not connected with any specific company. And yeah, that's how we started. Okay. Let's take a look at the cameras real quick. It's a very recognizable cameras in the back. It's also remember the screen is a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED two times display with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels and an adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120 hertz. It's a visual feast, and 2600 nits peak brightness. It challenges even the brightest sun, so it's going to be super bright at all times. As we can see in the camera system, it's optical engineering. We have the 200 megapixel, we have the main camera. It uses advanced pixel binding accompanied by the 50 megapixel, as well as the 50 megapixel has the ultra wide sensor and the two telephoto lenses of 50 megapixel and 10 megapixel. It offers unprecedented photographic versatility. What truly sets this device apart, it's the AI integration. So it has a personal data engine processor information securely on the device. It leverages Knox Vault encryption, and we'll see the interpreter in action later on. As a Spanish professor, this is very interesting for me to see how the new world of communication is coming. Okay, now that we've unboxed that, let's take a look at our next unboxing is the Galaxy Buds Pro Ultra. So just open this up like this. There you go, and one more over here, and then you can open it up. Once again, very minimal boxing information here. I have another cable. Maybe it looks a little bit longer than the other one. We have some extra buds here. It's very common for earphones to have these extra little buds you can use. Okay. So put this to the side. Shows you how to use it, and oh wow, look at that. Yeah. This earbuds, notice that it's brand new. My phone is already trying to connect with it. Very nice. And as a little bit of information here, is that these are the earbuds, and a masterpiece of miniaturization. They incorporate the AI-driven adaptive noise cancellation system, and it has this wonderful case with it that matches the color of it, and it has an adaptive equalizer, and so that's also another AI wonder, AI technology. And it has a Bluetooth 5.4 water resistance, and of course the seamless integration with the Galaxy ecosystem. It has an interpreter listening mode that works in conjunction with the S25 Ultra. We are witnessing the future of real-time global communication. Well, in conclusion, guys, this is the unboxing of both of these wonderful products that we will be using in the next 3 months. This represents the cutting edge of AI integration into mobile devices, opening new frontiers in interaction and productivity. But this is just the beginning. I invite you to come back in 90 days to see how my reaction after intensively using this technology will live it up to the expectations. We will discover surprising new functionalities, and don't miss my detailed analysis after 3 months of the real world use. See you soon. Thanks for watching.